Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable bull with horns, a collar, and a little bell. Isn't he just too cute? Let's start by drawing his head and body. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. You're doing awesome! Now, let's add his horns, ears, and the collar with the bell. Don't forget his little tail and the grass beneath him. Just a few more lines, and we'll be ready to color. Now it's time to color. Let's start with the bull's body and color him gray. The collar should be red, and the bell can be yellow. Don't forget to make the horns white and his cheeks soft pink. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep going. Look at that! Our bull is all finished, and he looks so cute with his bell and horns. You did such an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a drawing master. See you next time for more fun drawing. Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable bunny with a cute yellow hat, holding a carrot and a gardening tool. Isn't she just so cute? Let's start by drawing the bunny's body and ears. Grab your pencil, and let's begin. You're doing a fantastic job. Now, let's add the bunny's face, her hat, and the carrot she's holding. Don't forget the gardening tool in her other hand. Just a few more lines, and we'll be ready to color. Now it's time to color. Start by coloring the bunny's fur white and her cheeks soft pink. The hat should be yellow, and the carrot orange. The gardening tool can be blue. Keep going. You're doing an awesome job. Look at that! Our bunny is all finished, and she looks so cute with her carrot and gardening tool. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and you'll be a drawing expert in no time. See you next time for more fun drawings.